Valley, and called additionally at Hampstead and Lescott Stadium.
Officially made it to Birmingham, and I'm now going to go and grab a little matcha latte for myself, and then I'll be off to Alexander Stadium to go and watch the sister run in today's 400 meters. I just stopped to get a little bit matcha latte, which to be fair I'm gonna take to go, but I just wanted to have a quick seat and freshen up a little bit before I head to Alexander Stadium to go and watch the sister run the 400 meter finals today. So really excited, let's get going.
Presenting the medals, we welcome someone who went to his first ever athletics event.
Well done. Well done. It's a good run. It's a good run. It was still excellent. Third place. Well done there. I was so nervous. I was so nervous. Done.
Draw for a World Junior finalist, the Harrogate Harriers, George Cootie. And three, good UK indoor 800 metres, the Melbourne Striders, James McMurray.
The victory ceremony for the women's 400 metres. The medals will be presented by Ian Beattie, UK Champion. Bronze medals representing Woodford Green Essex ladies, Yemi Mary John. Silver medals representing New Essex Eagles, Victoria Africa. Gold medals at 2025 UK Athletics Championships representing Birmingham.
and hopefully that secures my place in Tokyo, but we will find out soon, so make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, we'll find out if that gets me into the World Championship individual 400 meters. But yeah, in the 50 points strokes, so I'm happy, consistently there and excited. So.
Guys, this is Choma, everyone. Hello. Hey, Choma.
Go.
Aww.
We're gonna watch this back in 20 years ago. I know.
It's a heart. Turn it more this way. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
Was this a fun? Oh, is it fun now?
No, it's a video. That's so cute.
And did you see the new jeans? No, I didn't.
So you can go for split shorts with these.
So we've got a few more things here. So we go for a nice little photo of this, and then just video stuff here.
Oh, that looks really nice. I love it.
It is now.
I want to get you done now. I just get my list. Perfect. So I'm going to check this out. This is a medium, that one's a small.
I love it. It's a great colour. It looks great on you. Guys, we're just waiting for the Uber. Yes. How are we feeling? We're tired. Yeah.
Oh, wait, can I
we're feeling a bit sleepy for sure, because yeah, there's just been lots, but it was really fun. It was so fun to go and see the new GB kit. Really enjoyed that. Yeah. I love the yellow jumper as well. This cute yellow is my favorite color, guys. It looks great. I might have to grab that, to be honest.
And the lighting's actually
might have to go through the Sissy's wardrobe and like pick that for myself, but she's never gonna know. Yeah, she might if it goes missing. But yes, food time. So we're gonna get some Caribbean food. Do you guys remember the place we were going to? Caribbean food?
Turtle Bay.
Turtle Bay.
Yeah,
yes.
I'm gonna have to read
Oh, Choma's got an American accent. I love how she said that. Choma, do you wanna say that again?
Turtle Bay.
Turtle Bay. Turtle Bay.
Wendy, can you help me hold this again? No. Why?
But yes, food time, getting the Uber. Is that? No, that's not our car. I thought it was us, but no. Okay, but yes, Uber, food, then train back to London.
Okay, good. Guys, I wish I had this. Hey guys.
Oh, you asked Choma.
It looks like we're waving to the table with sun.
Oh, they're probably like, what's going on?
Thank you.
Guys, we're getting some Japanese food. We changed. We were originally going to get Caribbean, but we're now getting some really nice Japanese food, some aged tofu and some fried rice. What are you getting, Choma?
I got some
fried.
We all got the same.
But I added pineapple juice.
Yes, and we got some game mashed tea, which is really nice. Actually, guys, I actually sell game mashed tea in my shop, so if you are interested in finding out more or trying Japanese teas, do check out my website. I'll leave the link below in this vlog. Oh, bon appetit, guys!
But no, I feel like it's...
Guys, this is it. We're on our way back to London Euston now. Had a really nice dinner, and yeah, definitely feeling quite sleepy. It's not too late actually, but definitely a fun, active day. And obviously we got the bronze medal, which is really good. And yeah, guys, so this is it. This is now the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.